Did you know that the bacteria that live in your intestines play an important role in your weight? They communicate with your immune system, produce vitamins, affect the way certain foods are digested, and produce certain substances that help us to feel satiated. Studies have shown that the bacteria that produce methane can slow down your bowel movements, causing your intestines to extract more calories from your food and contributing to weight gain. An imbalance in your intestinal flora can affect more than just your weight, causing digestive problems such as bloating, flatulence, and constipation. In today's video, we're going to teach you a recipe that you can make for breakfast, and will help regulate your intestines and lose weight healthily. This recipe calls for ingredients such as plums and oats, both rich in soluble and non-soluble fiber, which helps improve your bowel movements and keep you feeling full for longer. Plums also contain anthraquinone, and a substance that interferes with your bowel movements. The other ingredient, milk kefir, is a probiotic-rich and beneficial bacteria. Not only is it great for your intestines, but according to specialists, it can also help with weight loss. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 300 milliliters 10 ounces of milk kefir or low-fat yogurt, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, 5 to 7 dried plums, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed optional, teaspoon of cocoa optional. Instructions: let the dried plums soak in 100 milliliters 10 ounces of hot water for 15 minutes. Mix the oats, flaxseed, and cocoa in a bowl and then add the milk kefir. Finally, dice the dried plums and mix them in. If you prefer, you can put the mixture in a blender. Let it cool in the refrigerator and drink it on an empty stomach the next morning. This recipe will help with weight loss and bloating, as well as regulating your intestines. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.